Bida sa Ayala Pole Vault Challenge kahapon ang ating pole vault sensation na si EJ Obiena. Para bigyan ng mukhang balita, Mobile Journal, Denise Valdez Sancho.
Di alintana ang bigla ang pagbuhos ng ulan dahil tuloy na tuloy pa rin ang pasiklatan ng top world pole vault athletes dito sa Ayala Triangle Gardens.
Couldn't have a better ending. Yan mismo ang mga salitang binitawan ni world number 7 pole vaulter EJ Obiena matapos masungkit ang ginto sa kanyang historic home event na Atletang Ayala Pole Vault Challenge. Nanalo ang two-time Olympian via countback after clearing 5.80 meters on his second attempt. Ito na ang best showing ng atleta mula World Athletics Championships sa Tokyo, Japan nitong nakaraang linggo. At dream come true para kay Obiena ang success ng event.
I definitely surpassed it. Did I have a dream? Yeah. Did I have a nightmare that almost happened? Yeah. So I'd say it's a bit poetic, and I think it gave really a good show. I think it couldn't have been a better ending to my season. Truly. Hopefully, everybody who organized this is happy, and we'll get a part 2, part 3, maybe have this every year.
Inuwi naman ni world number 12 Thibaut Colle ng France ang second place after 3 attempts at 5.80 meters. Pasok naman sa third place si world number 15 Piotr Lisek ng Poland with a clearance of 5.60 meters.
And then I saw my chance to beat this guy, but it was not enough for me. Well, raining always it's not good for us. But the crowd, it was amazing, and they push us to jump as the best.
Kabilang din sa world-sanctioned meets in world number 5 Ersu Shashman ng Turkey, number 6 Men of Lon ng Netherlands, number 13 Ben Bruders ng Belgium, number 14 Austin Miller ng USA, number 16 Oleg Zernikal ng Germany, at number 23 Matt Ludwig ng USA. Napabilang din sa listahan kahapon ng Pinoy standout na si Hackett de los Santos via wildcard entry mula pagkapanalo sa National Pole Vault Competition nito namang Sabado. Pinili naman ni Bruders na hindi muna sumali dahil sa iniindang back spasms. Mobile Journal, Denise Valdez Sancho po, hatid ang mukha ng balita.